Welcome to Raj Classes. Today we'll discuss how to initialize one pointer. Initialization of pointer. How to initialize one pointer. What do you mean by initialization? It is a process to give the address of a variable to the pointer. It is the process to give or store the address of a variable to a pointer. Clear? For example, integer pointer is there, integer star p. One pointer is there. And one variable is there, integer x. So integer x means x is a variable of integer type. It consumes some space in memory and it has some address. Suppose its address is 1000. Suppose. So there is some value. Suppose any value is stored in that address. It's a integer type value. And its name is x and its address is suppose 1000. So initialization means the process of giving address of a variable to the pointer. So when I am declaring one pointer, if I am putting the address of same type of variable to the pointer, it is called initialization. Clear? Giving some value to a variable, it's called initialization of that variable. Same way, initialization pointer means giving some, as we know that pointer can store the address of a same type of variable. So giving the same type of variable address to the pointer is called initialization. And this initialization or assigning value to the pointer can be done later also. Suppose I am declaring integer pointer first, then I am declaring one variable. Suppose the integer x equal to 5, I am also taking one value. Then I am assigning the address of that variable to the pointer. So I can assign the address of a variable like this. After declaration, I am assigning the variable value to the pointer, and at the time of declaration of pointer, I am assigning the address to that pointer. This is called initialization. So in this way, I can give address to a pointer. Clear? So pointer holds address. And this is ampersand symbol is called address operator or monadic operator. Monadic operator. Clear? And star, we know this is indirection operator or dereference operator. Clear? How to, then we will discuss how to access the address of a variable, access address of a variable through pointer. How to access the address of a variable through pointer. Clear? We know how to initialize. Just see this. Suppose this is integer x, clear? And one integer pointer is there, integer star p, and I am initializing this p with the address of x. So when I declare integer x, it will take some memory space, its name is x, and some address, suppose address is 1000. Then I am initializing that one pointer, integer type pointer, with the address of x. So one pointer will be allocated in memory. It consumes some memory space, clear? Then what we have initialized this pointer? We have initialized the pointer with the address of x. So it will hold the address of x, that is what? 1000. We have taken address as 1000. Clear? So suppose your value is suppose 5. So 5 will be here. Clear? How to access the address of a variable? You can see, if I will print address of x equal to %d, then ampersand x. This is monadic operator or address operator. It gives the address of a variable. So if I will print the address of x equal to %d ampersand x, it will display what? 1000. If I have taken one example that the address is 1000, so it will display, for this example, it will display 1000. Clear? Ampersand gives the address of variable. Clear? How we can find this address of x using pointer? So I can write, just see, how to access, just see, printf address of x equal to %d, then p. Clear? Through pointer, how I can access the address of x. P means what? What we have stored in p. Suppose I am writing printf %d x means what? What is stored in x? That is 5. It will display 5. P means what? What is stored in p? P is a pointer type variable. What is stored in p? What is stored? 1000. So it will display 1000 for this example. Clear? So this is similar as what? Ampersand x. So we got the address of x through pointer. Clear? Now I have used %d. It will display what? The address in integer format. You can use star p also. Sorry, %p. %p to display the address. Clear? In %p, it will display the address in hexadecimal format. Hexadecimal format. If you will use what? %p to display the address, it will display the address in hexadecimal format. If you will use %d, it will display in integer format. If you can use %u also, that is unsigned integer format. Unsigned integer format. Clear? So for address, to display the address, you may use %LD, you may use %LU, you may use %LP also. Clear? So for this example, we got how to access what? Address of a variable through pointer. Clear? Then how to access the value of a variable. Access value of a variable through pointer. Through pointer. How to access the value. Same example I am taking. This is integer x and value is 5. Its address is 1000 suppose. And one integer pointer is there which stores the address of x, that is 1000. So for this I will write what? Integer x equal to 5 and integer star p equal to %x. Clear? And this p has some memory address, maybe 2000 I am taking. For example, I am taking 2000. So how to access the value of a variable? To access value of a variable through pointer, what? Value of x equal to %LD, then x I may write. So it will display what? This 5. Yes or no? So it will display 5. Clear? Same, through pointer I can display the value of x equal to %LD, then star p. It gives the value of x. Clear? Star p means what? The value at address which holds p. What we have stored in p? 1000. That means the value at 1000. We have printed here the value of p, that is 1000, it will print. So star p means star 1000. It will give the value at 1000. But it's stored in the location 1000, 5. So it will give 5, same as x. Clear? Just remember one thing, that after ampersand or this monadic operator, there is always one variable. And after star, there is always address. So this ampersand symbol, monadic operator, will give the address of that variable. For example, ampersand x, it will give the address of x. For this example, it will give 1000. Star, after star, there will be always one address, not variable. Clear? So one address will be there. So suppose star 1000, then it will give what? What? This is 5 for this example. So for 1000 I am taking p, because in p we have stored the address of x, that is 1000. Clear? Or you may write star ampersand x. I have told after star there will be one address. So ampersand x means the address of variable, that is 1000. It will give, star means the value at 1000, the value at %x, that is 5. Clear? So star gives the value at the value at the address. The value at the address. It means the address of the variable. Clear? This ampersand means the address of some variable. Star means the value at the address given after star. So in after star there will be address. Clear? Now just see. This is very important. If you clear these things, then there will be no doubt in pointer. So just give importance to this example. Suppose this is your memory, and I have taken one variable x having memory address suppose 1000, suppose I am taking, and I am storing the value of x as 10, and I am taking one same type of pointer, that is p, and its address is 2000 suppose, and we are storing the address of x in p. This is your memory. This is very important, you will see. For this I will write what? Integer x equal to 10. Clear? So 10 will be stored in x, and integer star p equal to ampersand x. We are storing the address of x. Ampersand means monadic operator, means it will give the address. So address of x will be stored in p. So 1000 will be stored in p. Suppose I am displaying printf percentile d x. What it will display? What will be the output? 10. Because we have stored 10 in x. Clear? Next, suppose percentile d ampersand x. To display the address, here I have used percentile d. It will display in decimal format. You may use percentile u, or you may use percentile p also to display in hexadecimal format. Percentile u or percentile what? P, hexadecimal format. I have already told. Clear? This is unsigned integer. Clear? So here I have used percentile d. What it will display? Just see. Ampersand means address of x. The address of x is 1000. Clear? So it will display 1000. Because when I have declared integer x, it consumes some memory space. That means in memory some space is taken for x and address is 1000. So it will display the address of that x, that is 1000. Clear? Suppose I am printing percentile d p. P means what? Suppose percentile d x means what? What is stored in x? P means what? What is stored in p? We have stored in p is 1000. We have stored in p, that is 1000, address of x we have stored. So it will display what? 1000. This is nothing but ampersand x, because we have stored the ampersand x in p. it will display the value of P. What is stored in P? That is, P is a pointer. It stores the address. So address of what? Ampersand X. Clear? Suppose I am displaying or printing percentile D ampersand P. Means what? Ampersand is address of P. P is a pointer variable, it's a variable, it's taking some memory address, memory space. So it has also some address. I have taken what? Address of P is 2000. So it will display 2000. Variable means what? It is consuming some memory space with some address. Clear? So P has one address, that is 2000. So address of P. Then printf percentile D star P. Star P means what? Star I have told, this is indirection operator or dereference operator. Why it is called as indirection operator? Because it is indirectly giving the value of a variable. How? Just see. I told star. After star there will be one address. Star. After star there will be one address. P. I have displayed the value of P is what? 1000. So this is nothing but star 1000. Only P means what? 1000. That is address of X. Star P means what? Star 1000. After star there will be one address. So address is there. This is okay. So star address means what? It gives the value at that address. So star 1000 means value at 1000. Value at 1000 is what? 10. So it indirectly. Directly we are displaying the value of X here, 10. But indirectly through pointer we can access the value of a variable. So star is called indirection operator. Indirection operator or dereference operator. Clear? Indirection operator or dereference operator. Because it is giving the value of a variable indirectly. Indirection operator. Clear? Next, suppose I am displaying printf percentile D, then star ampersand X. You can see I have told after star there will be one address. So star ampersand X means address of X, that is 1000. Address of X is 1000. So one address is there after star. It will give what? The value at that address. Value at 1000, that is 10. So star ampersand will be cancelled. So it will display the value of X. Clear? Star ampersand. It will be cancelled and it will give what? The value of X percentile X. Same. Clear? So next one is printf percentile D. Suppose this is star ampersand P. You can see after star one address is there. So star ampersand P. P is taking some memory space, that is 2000. Address of P is 2000. We have displayed here. Address of P is 2000. So this is nothing but star 2000. So after star there is one address. Clear? So this is okay. So it will display what? The value at 2000. What is stored in 2000 location. Clear? Just see, at 2000 location, we have stored what? One address, that is address of X. So it will display what? It will display what? 1000. The value at 2000. The value at 2000, that is 1000. This is nothing but what? Star ampersand cancel. I have already told. So it will be P. Only P. P is what? We have displayed 1000. Same. Clear? So these things should be clear. Then we got what? Printf percentile D star P. It will display the value at P, that is 10. Clear? So if you will clear these things, there will be no doubt in what? Pointer chapter. So just give importance and just clear all these things. Clear? So today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss some more about the pointer.